And welcome back to Chat with Chet. I'm very lucky today to be here with David from EY. David, how are you?
Doing very well, Chet. Thanks for having me.
So I caught your presentation inside. Man, that was a good one.
Thank you.
Talk to the world a little bit about what EY and Toyota and RPA have done together.
Yeah, so EY and Toyota have had a partnership for really, you can say the last couple years maybe, around intelligent automation. And the focus is driving, real sustainable business results that build a foundation for a future.
So you said intelligent automation. A lot of different definitions going on out there. Let's clarify the term a little bit. What do you mean by intelligent automation?
Well, that's a good question. I think everybody to some degree is still trying to figure that out. Let's be honest. But there's this whole space of new technologies that are coming to the forefront to change the way people work. And it's quite an exciting thing. We're on the verge of, in my opinion, significant disruption. And we have technologies like robotics process automation, machine learning, blockchain, many others, OCR, it is mixed in there. How do we bring these technologies together in a way that focuses on our true business objectives and again creates a foundation where we can be competitive in our organizations in the future? Because everything's changing, so we have to figure out how to lay that foundation early. Right. So that we can
Well, you need
thrive.
to lay that open foundation early so that you have the ability to adjust one way or the other as these new technologies come on. One of the strong suits of UiPath is its openness and its ability to work with all those things, whether you're talking about a data robot or H2O or any of the other number of partners and AI partners that are out there, EY as well with some of the home built AI stuff that you guys are doing. But where do you see that going? What sort of difference do you see it making? How do you see the connection between AI, ML, pick one of the acronyms that you like. The singularity has not occurred. So we know that true AI is not there yet, but these predictive algorithms and the statistical analysis and all the math that we can do coupled with the RPA, where do you see that helping, or where did it help Toyota?
Yeah, well, I think it's pretty basic actually. And I don't know if this is going to answer your question directly, but I think it's really comes down to the human experience. At the end of the day, all those fancy terms are just fancy terms that we all throw out there. But what matters is that the human experience is elevated through the opportunity to shift the mundane, the manual, the repetitive stuff away from the humans so that humans can actually get back to being human again. Let's let the robots be robots so that we can be humans. It's a beautiful thing.
So what you're telling me is that RPA is making life better?
You know what? I could say that I think we'll look back in 5-10 years and we'll be blown away by the amount of change.
Why in the world were we ever doing that?
Yeah.
So give me a big win. Give me something big that EY has done with Toyota. Give me a project that I may not have heard of, or give me one of your favorites. What's an automation piece that's happened over there that you want to brag about a little bit?
Yeah, I think all of these technologies together create the opportunity to not just do things differently, but to do different things.
Oh, that's a good one.
And we've had use cases, for example, where we get teams in the room together and the light bulbs you can almost see go off on the top of their head. So I won't point to one, but it's really rewarding to be able to work with team members in an organization and to be in the room when those light bulbs go off and they see the future and they're excited about it.
Oh, that's a good one. So over at with Toyota, were you in finance or was it working across the spectrum of department?
Yeah, it was across the organization. You have to be holistic about your transformation.
Absolutely.
Obviously, you have stakeholders in every business unit, every division, every function that wants to eat their cake first, but really transformation is organizational wide.
So one of the things I always say is force the horizontal, the vertical will come organically. So those groups, once they say, or once you show them that, wow, you were able to automate that. Well, if you could do that, look at this. And once that bulb comes on and they bring it in, do you see that the body of work that's going to be done through RPA is going to get bigger or get smaller?
Oh, it's only going to expand, right? When, again, those light bulbs really start going off in people's mind and we really get to the point where we're willing to do different things, the opportunity is going to be massive.
But one more thing, I'm going to give you a chance to plug EY a little bit here. When the customer is starting out, if they don't have their in-house expertise, do they need a partner?
Oh, absolutely. This is new for everybody. And to be frank, Even the technology providers are figuring it out at times, but there's a level of foundational experience that can always be applied to steer things in the right direction towards true sustainable transformation.
So I tell partners or customers when I'm talking to them, if you don't have that in-house expertise, get a partner you can trust. So I'm with you 100% there. Thanks for spending a few minutes with us. Thanks for watching Chatting with Chet, and we'll see you next time.